Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Here's the Ethereum breakout. So listen to this music. Hit the subscribe button below so that each time I post a video you're gonna get the notification. Let's go.
Let's go straight to Ethereum US dollar. So this is how we are going to start. We are going to start Ethereum from July 21st, and we are going to continue. This is how I'll analyze Ethereum using our technical analysis. We know that most of the times when we talk of fundamental analysis, they also influence the news. So from July to July 8th 2021, this was the movement of Euthereum. So when you check like this, you discover that this was my support, this was another support on the 2nd of July, and on the 5th of July there was another support, and finally the support was broken here. When I say that the support was broken, it means that a candlestick was formed below this line and everybody was selling. Not that there are people in the market who trade according to how analysis also takes place. So something in the form of a rising wedge, right, was forming. Let me confirm the rising wedge, because actually it was moving straight at this particular point. Then if you are following a rising wedge, you discover that it will go and coincide at that angle. So actually this is a rising wedge. So look at it, there was a rejection at this point and another rejection at this point, then finally a candlestick closed below this line, so leading many buyers, many people to sell, because people are selling according to analysis. So most of the times when guys are crying, no, that's not it. So look at how the market is falling. And another conclusion is this: our moving averages. Here we have moving average 10 and moving average 50, and where each time there is a crossover, the market must fall at uptrend. So let's take a look at how the market was folding up. So look at how the market is falling. The market is falling gradually, and check again for another crossover here. This is a crossover, meaning that here we have a downtrend. Let me prove with another trend line. So look at it, look at the market. If I draw a trend line and link this resistance, you discover that finally a breakout occurred somewhere here. So look at how the market started moving up, and it did so at our crossover, a crossover between this moving average 10 and moving average 50. So always take note, this is our moving average 10. I just call it MA, moving average 10, and moving average 50. This is moving average 50 below, so you can decide and also dot it down. So this is moving average 50 below. Okay guys, as you watch, please hit the red subscribe button so that each time I post a video you are going to get the info. So let's go straight to it. So this morning I was trying to analyze a few things. Look at the movement here. It has broken the support, there is rising. You discover that there is no other crossover again, no crossover, and for us to confirm that the buy is huge, there is another break of resistance up here, meaning that there is a huge buy coming even ahead. So guys, you need to start thinking of how to buy. This is the right moment for you to buy Ethereum. So let me check on the previous candlesticks to know where you guys can start buying So actually, let me check on the previous charts to see where you guys can start should buy and think of a stop, because actually the recent price now is 3,119. 3,119. When I move my candlestick, it is somewhere here. This is the next resistance. So think of 3,548. Let me link this line so that you guys can see. I will use, let me just trace the line across. So according to my analysis, you discover that there is what we call Elliott waves. So this should be our wave 1. I consider this as wave 1, right? The second one is wave 2. Let me use this time frame of 3 hours because cryptocurrencies. This is wave 2, then wave 3 is forming. Wave 3 is always the longest wave, meaning that there are high chances that the market will keep moving up. So this market will rise to about 5,500 at wave 3. 5,500 at wave 3. Then finally you discover that this resistance has already been broken. At wave 3, what happens at wave 3? It needs to go down to wave 4. And wave 4 is never half of wave 3. It should be about 20 to 25%. This way it will stop here before we think of moving to wave 5. Let's say wave 5, let me say wave 5 is somehow, let me push it to make it wave 5, which is never too long. Let's say wave 5 can be about 3,900. So we should expect this movement in 1 week. We should expect this movement in 1 week. So this is the actual analysis of Ethereum US dollar. So guys, if you're watching me live, subscribe to my channel, share and comment so that it will give me energy to upload videos all the times. Thanks. I'm your humble servant, Ronnie, at Cameroon Online School of Forex. Thanks.
Of interest, I've already dot them out. So this is the actual price at 3,080 US dollars, and I've marked the resistance, the first resistance, which is around 3,504. That's the next point we should be expecting this currency. This if you look carefully below, we have a W, a shape, a market structure in the form of a W. Then this market was broken somewhere below 2,300, so it was broken and it had to fly upward. So the only next resistance we can have is around 3,504. So we should expect that Ethereum should reach that point. So when you reach that point and it doesn't break the resistance, then it may retrace back a bit to 3,400 or 3,300 before pushing back to 4,400. So guys, stay tuned for more updates. Guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that red subscribe button below so that each time I post a video, you're gonna get the notification.